Oh, all right. So you have installed your Ton wallet, your Keeper wallet. What do? Don't just go ahead and connect anything. No. The first thing off, the first thing first is to back up your recovery phrase. You understand? It's just like your login details. Normally, if it is your Gmail account or your mail account, once you lose your login details, you can recover it. But for Keeper and most of this wallet, once you lose your backup phrase and recovery phrase and all that, that is gone for life. You can never recover it. There's no way to recover it. And again, don't never you share your recovery phrase and all that with anyone, because once you do that, phew, phew, 2 seconds, or they'll just wipe everything. So what you do, you come to your top right, see this place, the right settings, for you to back it up. Don't send it to anyone. Write it, find somewhere and write it down. Find somewhere and write it down. Find somewhere safe and write it down. And you can also back it up to your email and your Google Drive. You understand? But don't send it to anyone. Don't send it to anyone. Come to settings here. Look at where they write backup. Backup. Click on it and follow the process. I'm not clicking it because I don't want to show you my key phrase. So click on it. Click on this backup and follow the process. Follow the process. Follow everything manually. Just have, before you try this thing, make sure you have enough time. It's not something you rush and do. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down and back it up. Write all the backup phrase and everything that is required. Just come to this backup, follow it up. This is too sensitive, I can't open it. So back it up and don't never you share it. Even if Satoshi himself come and ask you to send your backup phrase or anyone, don't send it to anybody. Don't send it to anybody. The only thing you use and receive money, it is your wallet. Look at it, your wallet address. That's the only thing you use to send money. Just like your bank account. You understand? You can use your bank account to send money, but there are some things you don't share. Once you just share your login pin and everything, they'll wipe everything that's in your bank account. You understand? So just come here, under settings, click backup and back it up. And after you are sure and very certain and very confident that you have backed it up, that you can never lose it again. You can never lose it again. Then you go to your Telegram bot for Hamster, avacoin, and other bots that require you to connect with Ton wallet. Then you connect and follow the process. After you connect it, you come to this your browser, bottom right, come to this browser here. Look at it. Once you come to browser, it will be on at explore. Explore is for you to search, but just go to connected. See, look at the ones I've connected for now. So before you connect, ensure that it's the exact wallet they're asking of. If they don't ask for Ton wallet, don't use Ton though, because once they send money to a wrong address, it's gone and it's gone for life. You can never retrieve it. You can never retrieve it. That money is gone for good. You can never retrieve it. It's not like the one you go and put a complaint to your bank and all that, and they'll try to be following it up and down. No, that's not how it is with crypto. Once you send money to the wrong address, it's gone forever. You can never recover it. So before you do any transaction on cryptocurrency, be very sure of what you are doing. It's not something you rush and be doing. Something you rush and do under 2 seconds, or you'll be doing on the road. So don't forget, once you open your wallet, the first thing you do, look at your wallet address here. The first thing you do, you come to your settings, you back up your key phrase and all that manually. And it's also good to do it on your Google Drive and all that, and on the cloud. So once you back it up and all that, you come to your browser. This you see explore, click on connected, check all the apps that are connected. Is your own connected? Is it connected? If it's not connected, why? Go back to the app on Telegram and make sure you connect it. make sure you connect it. So that's it.